Hello everyone, this is CEO 108 and today I am at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, San Diego Del Mar in San Diego, California. Let's begin our hotel room tour. This right here is the door, an entrance exit door with an emergency evacuation plan on it. And these are light switches for the kitchen. Pretty similar to what you see in an apartment building section. This right here is a Whirlpool stove with 2 electric burners, a Whirlpool microwave, the sink, a dish soap, a dishwasher machine detergent, a coffee maker with supplies, a paper towel, and cupboards with pots and pans and glasses and cups, bowls, and plates, and even a toaster. And here's the dishwasher. On the other side is a refrigerator, a freezer. A Grubhub advertisement can be seen on the freezer door. And this is the fridge. This is the table with several objects on it. There are 2 chairs. And this is the sofa bed. Last night I slept in it and it was nice and comfy. And this is the desk with my dad's Dell Windows 10 laptop on it, and a home phone and a desk lamp. I have my Windows 7 Home Premium Service Pack 1 laptop, the Fujitsu Lifebook LH531 inside its case. Here's a tall floor lamp. Here's the TV. It's an LG flat screen model. From over here, at this window, you can have a good view of the pool area. Pretty nice. This is the air conditioning thermostat. Nice pictures. And this right here is a bedside lamp with a switch and an electrical outlet with my Homedics sound machine, which I purchased on eBay back in 2018. This is from 2002, so it's been used mostly at home since then. In here is the bedroom with a regular bed. This is where my dad has slept. And here's another bedside lamp. Looks pretty cool. And this is an alarm clock. This is an alarm clock. And there's another TV. And a remote control with Harbor Breeze's logo on it. Looking pretty nice. This right here is the sink, plus the Sunbeam hair dryer. Pretty clever body lotion supply. And now here I am in the bathroom of this hotel room. My dad and I are in room 237 on the 2nd floor, by the way. There's another picture. Nice one with the flowers in the foreground and the sailboats in the background. And here's the toilet with multiple toilet paper rolls. And there's the shower. And these are the bottles with nozzles for shampoo, shower gel, and conditioner. pretty clever how they decided to have those hanging on the wall for convenience. It looks as if some of the white paint is worn away from this tub section of the shower. The shower head is pretty good, and it has nice white towels. Well, that'll be it for this hotel room tour video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Goodbye everybody, and that's about it.